Someone just watching, eagerly waiting to eat. Fine. এটা পিকু পাবে না, দুটো দুটোই আছে। কি বড় বড় মিট বলস দিয়েছিল। আরে পিকু তোকে দেখতে হবে। এটা দিয়ে দিতে পারি, সেটা একটা এক ড্রপ না। Waited longer. This is too long. Timer on করব? Spicy first. That's for me. The spicy Szechuan broth. You want the plate? Yeah. This is mine. Let's see how it is. It's hot. The hot pot is really hot. Very nice. This is the non-spicy broth, which Mikla has made it spicy with all the sauces and the condiments. Oh, nice, actually nice. I like the broth better. Got worse. So this is my bowl of the non-spicy chicken broth. Sure. Making a little spicy using all the sauces and condiments. It is more flavorful anytime. Non-spicy.